Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to disable autoplay for GIFs in the Line app. If you are tired of GIFs playing automatically and consuming data, or distracting you, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu, select Photos and Videos. This section contains all the media settings for images, videos, and GIFs within the app. After that, look for the option labeled Autoplay GIFs. Toggle this option off. Once you do this, GIFs will no longer play automatically, and you will be able to control when to view them. Disabling autoplay GIFs in the Line app is a simple adjustment that improves your viewing experience and saves data. By following these steps, you gain more control over media playback in your chats. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.